So yesterday I had uploaded CVS and kidney. Today I have uploaded PNS. Evening mein I'll upload CNS MCQs. There are a lot many MCQs and they'll give you a good revision. Also, with each video, the PDF of that particular MCQ is attached in the description as a Google link. So you can go there and download the PDF and practice by yourself. There are two PDF, one having answers highlighted and one answers are not highlighted. So this is for your benefit. And although I'm putting in a lot of effort to compile the MCQs and to then take a few MCQs as an example and attaching it and everything, but I find that not that many students are actually, I feel like they're going through the MCQs. So this is my request that you should definitely go and download the PDF and practice those MCQs, and it is something which is going to give you a lot of practice at the end. In the last few days, it is important that you practice a lot of MCQs. Whatever studies you had to do, you have done. Like now, it is not the time to go back to your theory books or go back to your revision notes. Right now, what you have to do is practice a lot of MCQs. Do rapid revision also, but practice a lot of MCQs. That will give you a edge. Your like जो जितना MCQs करोगे आपका एग्जाम में आप उतना ही कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ MCQs को अटेम्प्ट कर पाओगे, right? So please go and download and practice the MCQs from the videos.